The original Oreo. This is the foundation of the brand, first introduced in 1912 at a bakery in Chelsea, Manhattan. It features the signature cocoa-flavored biscuit with a pattern of four-leaf clover surrounding the name, sandwiching a thick layer of white vanilla cream. While the design has seen minor adjustments over the past century, the basic composition remains the benchmark for all other variations. Golden Oreos. For those who find the standard cocoa cookie a bit too heavy, these offer a lighter alternative with a vanilla-flavored wafer. They were launched in 2004 to appeal to a broader demographic of snackers who prefer the taste of a traditional shortbread or sugar cookie. The creme remains the same classic vanilla, but the lack of chocolate allows the buttery notes of the biscuit to stand out. Double Stuff Oreos. This variety was created in 1974 to satisfy the common consumer desire for more filling. Despite the name, the creme is technically about 1.8 times the weight of the original filling, rather than exactly double. It remains one of the most popular permanent additions to the lineup because it shifts the flavor profile toward a much sweeter, creamier experience. Mint Oreos. This flavor introduces a cooling element by infusing the creme with peppermint oil and a distinct green tint. It mimics the sensation of a thin mint chocolate, making it a favorite for those who enjoy the sharp contrast between dark cocoa and refreshing herbs. It was one of the earliest successful flavor departures from the core vanilla line. Birthday Cake Oreos. Originally released in 2012 to celebrate the 100th anniversary of the brand, this version became so popular that it earned a permanent spot on shelves. The creme is studded with colorful rainbow sprinkles and formulated to taste like funfetti cake frosting. It has a noticeably more sugary, vanilla-forward aroma that differentiates it from the standard creme. Peanut Butter Oreos. This version replaces the traditional vanilla filling with a smooth, savory peanut butter creme. It leverages the classic flavor pairing of chocolate and peanut butter, providing a saltier profile that cuts through the sweetness of the chocolate wafers. It is often cited as a more substantial, rich snack compared to the fruit or sugar-based alternatives. Dark Chocolate Oreos. Aimed at a more mature palate, this variety uses a darker, more intense cocoa creme instead of the white vanilla version. By matching a dark chocolate filling with the dark chocolate cookies, the snack becomes much less sweet. It targets consumers who prefer the bitter, complex notes of high cocoa chocolate over the sugary nature of the original. Lemon Oreos. These utilize the golden vanilla wafer paired with a zesty, citrus-flavored creme. The flavor is bright and slightly tart, reminiscent of a lemon meringue or a traditional tea biscuit. It provides a crisp alternative to the heavier chocolate and nut flavors, making it a common choice during the summer months. Red Velvet Oreos. This specialty flavor was designed to replicate the experience of the popular Southern cake. The cookies are tinted a deep red and have a slightly milder cocoa taste, while the filling is flavored like cream cheese frosting rather than standard vanilla. This combination creates a tangier, richer profile that sets it apart from the rest of the lineup. Chocolate Peanut Butter Pie Oreos. This is a dual-flavored variation where the filling is split into two halves, one side being chocolate creme and the other being peanut butter. It is paired with a graham-flavored wafer rather than the traditional chocolate cookie. The result is a complex profile that attempts to recreate the layers of a baked pie. If you enjoyed this breakdown of the Oreo lineup, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more deep dives into your favorite snacks. Don't forget to leave a comment below telling us which flavor is your all-time favorite or which one we should explain next. Every interaction helps the channel grow and ensures you never miss a new upload. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video for another complete guide. Grab a glass of milk and keep snacking.